भक्ति प्रमोदाख्यो पुरीं प्रणम्य भक्ति प्रमोदं लभते जन वै। गौरकृष्ण नामदातं कीर्तनानन्दवर्धनं बहिर्मुखो जीवत्रातां वन्दे सरस्वतीं प्रभुं। वंशाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. All glories to Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to Guru Parampara. All glories to Guru Purnima. All glories to Vasudev, Krishna Dvaipaya Mahamuni Vedabhas. All glories to assembled devotees. So today looks like question. Question by Mahalakshmi Devi Dasi from Mirpur. Please accept my obeisance, Jai Sri Guru and Sri Gauranga. Thank you for brightening my days. I have a question from a lecture that last night a devotee from said that we should serve with our consciousness and not with the body. My question is, can we serve Sri Sri Radha Krishna with our body? First of all, we have to know which body we are talking about. In material world, when we have to serve with this material body. That is called practice. And gradually through the service, we have to fix our mind. We have to fix our mind to Radha Krishna services. This body Lord gave us for that purpose. This body means this human body. Only this body where people can, where living entities can fix their mind towards Him, Supreme Lord, which is our topmost goal to attain, because this is our identity. So that we have to practice. Then gradually we can say what is the consciousness, with our consciousness and not with our body. I don't know why he says so. Consciousness, obviously we have to do it with consciousness. Looks like actually he wanted to say maybe attentively. Attentively means consciousness, but best word attentively. But human nature based on their association. Whatever nature, culture we have, that is we got from our association. So therefore, we should think about this First, we may not have such attentive, but association influence make us enthusiasm, giving us enthusiasm, or enthusiasm best word, give us make us enthusiastic to serve. Then eventually the association gradually, eventually that association increasing our great means, and there's attentively, and then hope, and I was going to say lovingly, that way. So first we have to do in material world, we have to do with material body, with attentive manner. And the second initiation is where is the spiritual body during our service. Actually, second initiation means to relieve ourselves from the all material attachment. Krishna mantra hote habe samsara mochon. Second initiation, establishing a relationship with God. Relationship with God. First Guru, then Mahaprabhu, then Radha Krishna, and Radha Krishna associate. That is the purpose of second initiation. Of course, first and second both are very important. Don't think that first initiation is like a fake. No, it is not fake. Rather, first initiation, one is chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, will continue all the time, eternally. Why? When you reach the abode of Supreme Lord, still we have to continue the chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Krishna Naam hote pabe Krishna charan. Through Krishna's name, we can have the lotus feet of Krishna. So, that spiritual body person can get when they become completely free from all sense enjoyment object. That time, one person can get the spiritual body, means which is called eternal body, Siddha Deho. So otherwise it is not possible. Otherwise we have to serve with material body. I think you understand, Mahalakshmi Devi. Okay, so second question. Third question. Should we serve Krishna only with our consciousness or not with our physical body? I think my answer already covering all your queries. So now second, then one more devotee, Krishna Murti Das Mirpua, dear Srila Gurudev, in the pranam prayer to Mahaprabhu which we recite daily, he addresses as Sri Krishna Chaitanya, which is the name he had during his pastimes as a sannyasi. When he dressed and appeared as a sannyasi with 7 heads and holding a water pot, but in all Gaudiya temple he is represented in his form with long hair and beautiful ornamental outfit. My question is, in what mood is Mahaprabhu in the vision of worship of Gaudiya Vaishnava? Gaudiya Vaishnava, they are thinking Supreme Lord is actually Lord Chaitanya is not different from Krishna. Same Krishna appear in the form of Lord Chaitanya. That is most important part. And so they don't want to see Gaudiya Vaishnava, they don't want to see Supreme Lord with sannyas form. Supreme Lord, sannyas usually not accepting any service from anyone with sannyas. They are doing so much austere life, but our main worshipful Lord is Radha Krishna. They are Singar Rasmurti. Means they want decoration, they want cleanliness, such type of things. But Supreme Lord, why he in the vision of Gaudiya Mahat, why he will be sannyasi? Therefore they are worshipping when Lord Chaitanya, worshipping that form when Lord Chaitanya was in Navadvip. Long hair, ornamental manner. I hope you understand Murti. So this is the mood of Gaudiya Vaishnava. They don't want to see Mahaprabhu with sannyas. But nowadays we can see many devotees there. They like that sannyas form of Lord Chaitanya. They are keeping as a statue on the road. You can see the Sargodwar road. There is Sargodwar means Jagannath Puri Sargodwar road. There you can see they are putting this Lord Chaitanya statue with sannyas form. Even in Mayapur, ISKCON hospital, they are also keeping this Lord Chaitanya sannyas form. It is not our Gaudiya Mane, actually Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhantas represent, Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta, you can see even the Sivasangam of Lord Chaitanya, Advaita Acharya, they have no beard. Why? Vishnu Tattva should not have beard. Therefore, they are not keeping any beard. This is Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta's philosophy, Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta's instruction. How much we follow Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta's footsteps, that much we can understand the reality of our practice. It's not like our mind concoction that Lord Chaitanya sannyas form looks very nice, saffron color, same head. It's not like that. Service mood, worshipful Lord always like be a service form, ornamental form. Therefore, Gaudiya Math keeping Mahaprabhu's long hair. I hope you understand, Murti. So I don't think so anymore. Let me check. Damodar. No, Damodar not from. Who else? Australia. No call. Australia, no. And no questions. Looks like no more questions. I don't know who else sent more questions. I don't know. There's so many messages. 90 messages I cannot read. But usually is questions sent by our Murti, Krishnamurti Prabhu, Damodar, and I don't know who else, and Australian devotees, Lakshman. But it looks like they are not sending any more questions. So we can go through that. Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya Lila, 14th chapter. So we are almost going to finish that chapter. I hope today or tomorrow we can finish. So we explained yesterday, Lakshmi Jini Gun Jahan Lakshmi Re Samaj, Krishna Vangshi Kare Jahan Priya Shokhi Kaj. That we read yesterday. Lakshmi Jini means who is follower of Lakshmi Devi. Gun Jahan, all the quality of Lakshmi, opulence quality of Lakshmi, only that society can hear. But in Vrindavan, Lakshmi has no quality, therefore he is not eligible. She is not eligible to enter Vrindavan. So here say, Krishna Vangshi Kare Jahan Priya Shokhi Kaj. Krishna Vangshi. Who can hear flute of Krishna? Who can hear the tune coming from flute of Krishna. Who? Who is really dear to Krishna. Who is dear to Krishna? Priyosaki. Priyosaki means all the gopis. They are very dear to Krishna. Like I heard from my spiritual master, whenever Narottam Das Thakur from Kheturi, Bengal to Vrindavan, when he came, that time he was really young, he was not grown up, 12, 13 years only. That time there is no proper path to reach Vrindavan. Everything was jungle, ferocious animal, so much dacoit, so many problems. Problem from animal, problem from thief or robbery, many killer, so many problems. So who saw the path? Narottam Thakur with Champak Manjari. Who saw the path? Krishna's flute in his ear, you are listening and coming to Vrindavan. So, there is a song, I think, Ekhone sei Vrindavane Bashi baje re Bashir shure Shur miliye Moyur naach re. Still now, in Vrindavan, pure devotee are able to hear the tune of Krishna's flute. And accordingly, when you see the peacocks, they are dancing. You have to know, Basir Sure is, according to the rhythm of flute tune, peacock also dancing. Basir Sure Shuru miliye Mayur naach re. We are not able to hear that tune, but it's there. So anyway, that gopis, Priyosaki means gopis, very dear, like Lalita, Priyosaki means like that. Vishaka, they are very dear, near. They are able to hear the Krishnas. They are able to hear the Krishna. Anybody who is dear, who is completely free from all material attachment, that person, if they are chanting under the shelter of pure devotee with valiant parampara, they are able to hear. So Vrindavanasthita Bostur Sarup Vibhinna Sarup Varnana, Brahma Samhita, 5th chapter, 56th slok. Sri Akanta Kanta Parama Purusha Kalpo Tarava Drama Bhumi Chinta Manir Gama Pinta Manir Ganamai Tom Mitam Katha Ganang Nattang Gamana Bangshi Priyasaki Chidanandang Jyoti Paramapi Tada Swadapi Mapi. Look what I explained before. I think I explained it before that Vrindavan, everybody walking like a dancing pose. Priyakanta Kanta Parama Purusha Kalpo Tarubo. I already explained that. Already before explanation is there. Vrindavan means Kalpa Vriksha. Kalpa Vriksha Lata. Kripa of wishful feeling, kripa, all over. Dharma bhumi chinta manir ganamai. Bhumi chinta mani. This bhumi chinta mani. Whatever you think, it will appear. amritam. Toyo means water, amritam. Already before I explain this sloka, Bhoma Sangita sloka. Katha ganang nattang. Katha ganang, singing form. Nattang, that's dramatic way. Gamamapi, nattang, gamamapi. Gaman means walking like a nattang, nritta. Bangshi, Priyasakhi, all the Lalita, Priya Bangshi, Chidananda, transcendental, blissful, Jyoti, rays, effulgent rays, Paramapi, Tada, Sadhamapi cha, that is the Vrindavan. But therefore, you can see previously, Sarva Damodar says, Dwaraka opulence, like one drop up in the ocean. Vrindavan like an ocean, and Dwaraka's opulence like one drop of the ocean. The Vrindavan have love, Dwaraka has Aishwarya. But we are running behind. Today, I think today or tomorrow, yesterday I sent caption. But today maybe, one drop. Therefore, intellectual person always thinking about how to reach Vrindavan, not Dwaraka. Because Chintamani Bhumi. So anyway, this is Chintamani's Charana Bhushanam Angananam Shingara Pushpotara Vastubara Suramnam Vrindavana Brajadhanamanu Kamadhenu. Whatever we read yesterday, all the slokas says like that. Vrindani cheti sukho sindhuro vibhuti. So here Bhaktivinoda Thakur write in the meaning. Vrindavana Brajangana Digere Charana Bhushani Chintamani. Chintamani Charan Brajangana, all the Brajagopis. Charan, lotus feet, Charan means feet, their feet. Chintamani. Whatever, on a thoughtful filling stone. Chintamani. So whatever we will pray, and if they bestow mercy, then we can get it. Actually, our ultimate prayer to become eternally blissful, not like you get opulence. Eternally blissful. I can give an example, when I was reading in class 3 or 4 in Bengali language, I am from Bengal, and government school, there is a academic, there is a story named is Rajar Asu, disease of a king. Disease of a king. Rajar Asu. So that context, its essence of the context is this. This king becomes sick, mentally not happy, always depression. He is not eating anything. He is just feeling depression, always. Anxiety. So all the doctors came, different type of doctor, Ayurveda doctor, that time allopathic doctor not exist. Whatever doctor, Siddha doctor, whatever, everybody came. They check him. The medicine not work out. So amongst the doctor, one doctor realized actually his disease is mental disease. He has eagerness to get more and more. He expand his kingdom more and more. He want to expand his kingdom more and more. So therefore, that doctor intellectually says to all the associate of king, So you have to find one person who is always happy. So bring one shirt, whatever you are wearing, one bastra, means one upper garment, whatever. Bring one from him and let him wear that. That is the only medicine for you to cure a disease. So it is very difficult to find out such person in material world who is really happy. Always happy under any circumstances. So one day there is one messenger of kings or one person sitting under a tree and his face very effulgent and always laughing. Never feel distress, looks like no distress. And whatever, even he has no food, no home, and wearing shirt, it is really dirty. Only one bastra, one outfit is there. All dirty. Then that messenger says, I have a request for you. Then he says, what? This, can I have your shirt? Yes, no problem. Without any other feelings, with happiness, he offering it. Only one shirt, dirty shirt he offered. Then the messenger came to that king with the shirt. This is a shirt, we got it, a person, nature like this. Really that nature? How he become happy? How he always feeling happy? Because he has no material desire. Then king realized his main disease. He weard that and realized, and thinking about that, his real disease is always have greediness to expand his kingdom. That is the main disease he has. He should be calm and quiet. Actually, life is like that. We should not always keep eagerness to expand. Even the spiritual life, if we keep such desire on expand, where is our desire? First desire, then desire. First preserve, then propagate. That is our philosophy. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also said, अपनी आचरी धर्म जीवे सिखाए अपनी न कोईले धर्म सिखाने न जाए. Means first we have to practice and realize, then we have to go out for preaching, spreading. But nowadays you can see preaching strategy based on collecting money, not like think about the people's soul. People's soul, they are suffering. Why I am telling so, based on the collecting money, because I heard that many different groups, they say, Sankirtan party, have got some money. I don't know how, but Dhammaparat, 4th or 5th number, Dhammaparat, when Sankirtan party have some business tendency, that is also Dhammaparat. Anyway, that is not, we should not go through that. That I know that if we really want to be happy, then eternally happy, eternally blissful, you have to go to Vrindavan. And if you want to go to Vrindavan, then you are completely free from all material desire. Therefore, again I am telling you, whatever Narottam Thakur says in one of his song, Bishoy Chhadiya Kabe Shuddha Hobe Mon. And before that, he explained, Ar Kabe Nitai Chade Karuna Hoibe. Mane Nitai Chad means Gurudev. What is the actual mercy of Guru? Sangsaro Basana Mor Kabe Tuchha Hobe. What is our, whatever we have material desire, when we can ignore it. By the mercy of Guru, our material desire we are able to ignore it. How much we are able to ignore the material desire, that much we are able to be calm and quiet and fixing our mind towards the Lord. Otherwise, mind always running behind, expanding our mission. So therefore, we have to know that real mercy of Guru means to cure all our material desire. Cure us from all our material desire, and then Bishoy Chhadiya, all as well as gradually it will appear free from all sense enjoyment object. As soon as we have such quality, then Narottam Thakur says, there's Kabe Ham Herabo Sri Vrindavan. Only that time we are able to enter in Vrindavan. Very simple and direct message. It's not like a complicated, you have to see it, you have to, there's so many society there nowadays exist. They are telling this, that bhav, that amok, so many complications. But a simple message our Guru Varga gave us. So that a disease of a king, a perfect example. I remember still, I was reading in class 4 at that time. That still I remember that. And that story I like it from that time. It's really, if you really want to be happy, you have to be free from all material desire. And happiest abode, eternal abode, is Vrindavan. So anyway, Vrindavana Prajangana Digere Charana Bhushan Chintavani. All the gopis, their lotus feet is like a Chintamani, wish fulfilling tree. Chinta, wish fulfilling stone. No? Chinta, thought fulfilling. Yeah, thought fulfilling stone. Yeah. Chintamani. Lila Nukul Sakal Pushpa Torui Kalpa Vriksha. Acha, all the Toru means tree. Pushpa, all are Kalpa Vriksha, who is fulfilling. Kamadhenu, Prajer, Paramadhon, Kamadhenu, heavenly cow, who is giving the milk like a lotus fragrance. And whatever you have desired, how much quantity you have desired, they are giving. Nowadays, cows disappear now, day by day. And in the name of Goshala, I think this is my conception. In the name of Goshala, this is the money-making machine, money-making society people are doing. They're keeping all the cows, just let them die over there. I have seen. These our devotees, in our Javat, more than 14-15 cows, but area very short. But cows to stay, that very small, there is cow, there is no enough space to keep cow freely over there. So they are always complaining me. Then I say, okay, if there is a really problem because we don't have any other land to expand the Goshala. We have land but other places, but this is not our land, it's a government land. People are telling us to do that. But better to we can find out some Gosala, which Gosala really they are taking care of the cows. Who are taking care of which devotee is taking care of the cow here. I send all the Gosala in Vrindavan, and he gave us a report, give me a report, Maharaj, if I send the cow over there, just let them die over there. Because they have so many cows, the space is not there, all dirty, all very, they are very skinny, not enough food, not place to sleep. Cows sit down and sleep, not that enough space there. Then what you want to do? Find out. I find out. Then they find out some householder. I don't know, proper householder number. They gave some, almost 8 cows they gave. The rest of the cow they brought it here. And okay, bring it here. So now in Vrindavan temple have 5 cows. So whenever devotees saw our cows' health, in this house it was very nice. The Goshala, nowadays Kamdhenu, supposed to be everybody Kamdhenu, but it seems like because of our material project, Goshala is one material project. Government give us land, government give us grant to protect cows. Very nice government policy, but our policy destroy. We are not thinking they are Krishna's. Krishna's land, cows should be protected properly. Cows should be properly looked after. Even I went there. Many Goshala, even the Punjab, I don't like to say the name. There is a Amritsar. I went there. The temple I went to see the Goshala also. I just see. Rather I saw a nice Goshala in Russia, Moscow. Very nice Goshala. Vasudevindra took me there. Maybe 500 cows are there I saw. But they are very nice. Keep proper care, 5-6 people, all the instrument, no. But here, I think just like a money-making society. This is my conception. If I wrong, please excuse me. Maybe someone good there. If they're good, please excuse me. And if some Goshala like this, please rectify. So anyway, Vrindavan bhajang dhanam nanu kamadhenu. Dhan, wealth is kamadhenu. Vrindani cheti. আমি তো পড়ছিলাম এটা। এই সকলের দ্বারা বৃন্দাবন বিভূত পরমানন্দ স্বরূপে প্রকাশ পাইতেছেন। There is no opulence. Looks like in our vision, in our intelligence, according to our intelligence, there is no opulence in Vrindavan, but real ananda, bliss, real happiness in Vrindavan. That is the Paramananda Sarupi Prakash Paitajan. Paramananda, incredible blissful atmosphere, eternal atmosphere. Incredible, eternally blissful atmosphere in Vrindavan, because there is no any material desire. Cow's milk, if someone take cow milk, they can have whole life, they can survive. All the Ayurvedic people, just like when baby comes from the mother womb, born, I think in India they are feeding the babies only breast milk and cow milk. No other grains, right? How they survive? They are very healthy. But their proper cow milk absence nowadays is very strange. Although so many temples exist, but no Goshala, proper Goshala, no cow exists. So better for us to keep some cows, each temple, for the satisfaction of Krishna, as well as Radharani, Vrishabhanu Maharaj, Nanda Maharaj, they kept cow. Our temple, most of the devotees say, please remove the cow because too much expense. Today, Mayapur says there's too much expenses. 32 cow nowadays. Now 32 cow is expense per month, more than 1 lakh rupees. So what to do? Because all price increasing. 1 lakh rupees, so need to protect the cow. Then I said, let's see what is the will of Lord. So whoever called me for my service, I want to send money, People are calling me, sending message for money. I am okay here, everybody look after me. Just send some money to our Mayapur Goshala purpose. Today two devotee call, I tell them to do that. So anyway, this is the actually Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. Rupa Goswami wrote like this way. Actual Vrindavan means what? Shuni prema beshe nitya kare Srinivas Kakshotali bajaye kare atto has. Kakshotali means korotali, clapping and laughing, ha 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 ha, like this. Premaveshe, with blissful mood or loving mood. Nritya, dancing. Who is Srinivas? Who is Srinivas? Srivas Pandit. Radhara Rashuddha Rasha Prabhu Abesha Sunilo. Shei Rasha Beshe Prabhu Nitya Arambhilo. Means Radhara Shuddha Rasha, pure melody. Radhara Shuddha Ras Prabhu Abeshe Sunilo. Shuddha Ras means pure melodious song. Prabhu Abeshe Sunilo in spirit. In spirit, Prabhu means Chaitanya Mahaprabhu heard it. He was in where? In Jagannath Puri. Radha's mood and Radha's form, but Krishna. Prabhu Abeshe Sunilo, Shei Rasha Abeshe Prabhu Nitya Arambhilo. As soon as that Abeshe in spirit he is listening, Lord Chaitanya listening the Radha's melodious song, then immediately he started to dance. No one understand. No one understand why he dancing. This Babhichari Bhav, one is crazy, right? Crazy, one Bhav is that, Babhichari. That Bhav is crazy, looks like that. People looks like crazy. People are feeling he is crazy, right? So, this is the problem. So anyway, Radhar Shuddha Chaitanya. Rashabeshe Prabhur Nitya Sarupere Gan. Bola Bola Boli Prabhu Pate Nijokan. Sarupere Gan. Sarup Damodar's. Gan means song. He heard Rashabeshe. Actually, Radharani's glories. With the glories of Radharani, Sarup Damodar singing. And therefore, therefore he said, here his explanation is this. Rashabeshe Prabhur Nitya. Prabhu means Mahaprabhu. Nitya means dancing. Rasa means with that melodious singing. Who singing? Sarup. Sarup means Sarup Damodar, chanting. And then Mahaprabhu says, Bolo Bolo, speak, speak. Such ways, always telling, speak, speak, speak. And Prabhupada Nijo Kan. And Kan means ear. Yeah. Satisfying tune, satisfying the contents of the song. Mood also appear, everything satisfying. Prema utholilo Purushottam gram Prabhu preme bhasayilo Brajaras Geet, all the Geet means all the sing, whatever Sarup Damodar singing, all sing, all song like a mellow of Vrindavan, Brajaras. Prema utholilo, appear, prema, love, divine love, not ordinary love, divine love, eternal love, utholilo, appear. Purushottam Gam, that Purushottam actually, here is a Gram, but that place is not Gram, it's Dham. But anyway, here is a Purushottam Gam, the Purushottam, entire Purushottam, Kshetra means place. Prabhu Preme Bhasayulo. So everybody floating that love with love. Bhasayula means floating. Purushottam Dham have ocean. Here ocean is loving ocean. You can see Lord Chaitanya, he is taking bath in ocean. That ocean not Mahatirtha, it's great pilgrimage. But when Haridas Thakur basically passed away and his body bathed in ocean, after that Mahaprabhu said, this ocean become Mahatirtha. Therefore my spiritual master used to laugh and explain, look, Mahaprabhu's mercy, Mahaprabhu's vichar. Vichar means it's a judgment, very significant judgment. Why? Because of these devotees' glories is more than Lord glories. You know this, he used to say, Madhbhakta Pujya Bhadikaha, on that base, he said, devotees' glory is more beneficial than Lord glories. The Lord himself in the form of devotee is, but we have to look this real pure devotee. Fake devotee like me, not like that. It will not get any benefit. If you glorify me, no benefit. If you glorify our Gurudev, Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, they are pure. All our Guru Varga, they are pure. Lakshmi Devi Jatha Kale Gela Nija Ghar Prabhu Nitya Kare Hoilo Ditiyo Prohor. And after sunset, 3 hours first Pohor, then next 3 hours Ditiyo Pohor, even 6 o'clock sunset, then 9 until 9 fast Pohor. Pohor means 3 hours. And then it's about 9 to 12. So 12, Lakshmi Devi Yathakale Gila Nija Ghar. Lakshmi Devi going back. Because Lakshmi Devi came, Hera Panchami we are talking about, right? The Lakshmi Devi Yathakale Gila Nija Ghar. Go back to Purushottam Dham, Nilachal Dham, Dwaroka, and Prabhu Nitya Kare Hoilo Ditiyo Prohor. And Lord Chaitanya, dancing and chanting হলো দ্বিতীয় প্রহর। দ্বিতীয় প্রহর means midnight, chanting, dancing. রাত চারি সম্প্রদায় গান করি বহু শান্ত হইল, মহাপ্রভুর প্রেমাবেশে দ্বিগুণ বাড়িল। চারি সম্প্রদায় শ্রী ব্রহ্ম রুদ্র সনক, শ্রী সম্প্রদায় রামানুজ main acharya established by Lakshmi Devi, sampradaya established by Brahma main acharya Madhvacharya, Rudra Shiva main acharya Vishnu Swami, and Shanak, that's sampradaya established by Chaturkumar main acharya Nimbarka Acharya. That Chari Sampradaya Gan Kori, when singing all Sampradaya, not only like this, not only our like our Gaudiya philosophy, only this rigid Mahaprabhu, Mahavadana, he embraced everyone. Therefore Chari Sampradaya Gan Kori Bahu Shanto Hoilo, means gradually he become quiet. Mahaprabhu's premaveshe digun, premaveshe digun badilo. Mahaprabhu's avesh means actually feeling of love. Badilo means increase. Badilo means increasing feeling of love. Divine love. রাধা প্রেমাবেশে প্রভু হইলা সেই মূর্তি, নিত্যানন্দ দূরে দেখি করিলেন স্তুতি। Now Radharani's fully Radharani's abesh, no? রাধা প্রেমাবেশে প্রভু হইলা যেই মূর্তি, সেই মূর্তি। You know, Radharani's prem, he was feeling, he was realizing and testing, and become Radharani's. Same murti means that Radharani's mood, Radharani's pose, Radharani's everything. He appeared accordingly. Nityananda dure dekhi korilen stuti, and Nityananda Prabhu from far glorifying that mood. Stuti means praising that mood of Krishna. The Mahaprabhu's Radha's Nityananda dekhiya Prabhur bhavabesh, নিকটে আইসি কিছু রহে দূরদে. It's too far, little bit near. Nityananda Prabhu was too far from Lord Chaitanya. But when he come near, then he said, নিকটে আইলে কিছু রহে দূরদেশ. নিকটে রহে দূরদেশ, কিছু রহে দূরদেশ. আচ্ছা, নিকটে আইসে কিছু রহে দূরদেশ. নিকট means near, আইসে means coming, রহে means staying, দূরদেশ means far. Then that means he is not coming near. Actually what happened, while in Nityananda, which is Balaram, Radha should not be there. That pastime fulfill that, to realize the taste of that pastime. So Nityananda not coming near to him, from far watching. Shandini Shakti. Shandini Shakti means existential potency. Everything. Holy Dham, Nityananda means Balaram. Singhasan, Balaram. Karotal, Khol, everything, all the instrument to serve Krishna. It is Nityananda Tattva, Baladev Tattva, Guru Tattva. So, where is Balaram? There is Radha should not with Krishna. Radha Krishna together. Therefore, we are not chanting. This song, people are implement, people want devotee implement. And then Bhaktivinoda Thakur and that devotee have argument about it. Bhaktivinoda Thakur says Rasavas dos. Rasavas dos means in same altar how you keep Nityananda and Radharani. Do you understand what is that? I don't like to say the name because they are now the big and they will attack me. But it is that. नित्यानंद प्रभु बिना प्रभु के धरे कुंजन प्रभुर आवेश ना जाए ना रहे कीर्तन. But situation appear without Nityananda Prabhu, who can protect? Dhare means protect Lord Mahaprabhu, because he is like a jumping, rolling. He is not taking care of his physical form anymore. Prabhu आवेश ना जाए ना रहे कीर्तन. Prabhu with the Radharani's mood, a dancing, chanting, blissfully, because he met Krishna. Krishna came to Vrindavan. This is the theme, right? Krishna came to Vrindavan. Gundicha temple is called Vrindavan. Radharani became blissful. With ecstasy, he was dancing. The Mahaprabhu such mood. So who can hold? Dhare means hold. Who can protect Chaitanya? Such type of ecstasy mood. So Nityananda. So what happened? Bhangi kori sarup savar primo janail sramo janailo. ভক্তগণের শ্রম দেখি প্রভুর বাহ্য হইল. ভঙ্গি করি স্বরূপ দামোদর telling everyone, please try to protect Prabhu. Hold. ভক্তগণের শ্রম দেখি প্রভু বাহ্য হইল. And all the devotees become tired to stop Mahaprabhu's dancing. Then Prabhu Bhajya hoilo. Then Prabhu appeared in the normal condition. Normal condition. Before it was physical, ecstasy condition. Ecstasy is feeling. Dancing, chanting, weeping, rolling on the ground. This is the situation. Anyway, সব ভক্ত লইয়া প্রভু গেলা পুষ্পদানে. চোখটা গেল নাকি? সব ভক্ত লইয়া প্রভু গেলা পুষ্পদানে. বৃষাম করিয়া কইল মাধ্যমিক স্নানে. সব ভক্ত উপবনে গিয়া সকলে বিশ্রামান্তে মধ্যাহ্ন. উপবন মানে দ্যাট জগন্নাথ বল্লভ উদ্যান. He went there and take a rest. Then madhyana, madhyana means noon time. Everybody take rest, and noon time they went to take bath. Where did they bath? সব ভক্ত লইয়া প্রভু গেলা পুষ্পদানে. বিশ্রাম করিয়া কইল মাধ্যমিক স্নানে. Madhyanic sun means noon time they went to take bath. জগন্নাথের প্রসাদ আইল বহু উপহার. লক্ষ্মীর প্রসাদ আইল বিবিধ প্রকার. জগন্নাথের প্রসাদ. Then I think this পুরুষোত্তম কি বলে King Prataparudra sent prasad, I think. Jagannathar Prasad, Lakshmi Devi's Prasad, all Prasad together. Anyway, now is time over, and also I am waiting for another. I have to speak somebody. So, see you tomorrow, because now my time over also. I think tomorrow we can finish. Definitely tomorrow finish. Then I will start Harinam Chintamani. Hare Krishna.